Guys, welcome back to Masses Outdoors. I'm your host with a fishing buddy, and we are on the verge of a tropical storm, Elsa, coming in. But you know what? We're actually finishing up for the day, but the video is just beginning for you guys because let's see if we caught something. We can catch a nice huge shark, or we can catch little fish sticks. Doesn't matter. The whole point is go out and have fun. Always obey the legal specs of the fish that you're catching, bag limits, size, etc., length. You know, guys, what I'm talking about. Stay tuned. We're going to drop the clips in, and I apologize up front for any wind noise because I know the wind is blowing like crazy, and well, it's time to go because the storm's rolling in between later tonight and tomorrow. So we're out of here, but you guys stay tuned for the video clips. Well, I guess we're about to get started. Sorry about the wind noise. I know you're going to hear it in that mic. I wish I would have put my other mic on. Trying to hurry up and get cast out because we do have a tropical storm rolling in. So we're just kind of curious to see what we're going to do today. Now, yesterday we tore them up. Now, out here for what were we? We're getting mangrove snapper, mangrove snapper. We had striped bass. We had a little bit of everything. From what we learned, the fish are very greedy. So, what I'm doing is just cutting up. These are large shrimp that are actually locally caught. That's all I'm going to do. So, I will catch you in a sec as soon as I get ready to cast out. Oh boy, the wind's picking up, but I knew it was going to. So, what I've got on this one is running an 1.5 ounce. It's a bottom jig. It's a light to medium pole. And the reason I'm running this one is because, like, matter of fact, it's fast. Oh, I think I still got him. Nope. What do we get? Just that quick. Got one already. Let's bring him in. Little guy. So, take a quick look, throw him out. Well, there we go. It was an awesome first cast. Let's see if we can try it again. This is an old Shakespeare. Honestly, I couldn't even tell you when I bought the thing. It's literally that old. Today there's a good current running, so we're trying to see what we can do. How about I'll bring you guys back as soon as I hook something. Well, twice off camera I've had decent little bites. Whatever it is, they just hit it just quick enough. They took my bait, so let's see if the camera is the lucky charm. Now, I know out here, right about there is going to be, right about there is a little hole that I know is there. So let's tighten up this line and see if we can feel it, because sometimes, as quick as it goes in, oh, I knew that's... Let's see, I could have swore something's hitting it. I bet you it took my bait. Look at that. Barely even hit the water for a sec. Gone. Ah! Just trying to get the camera to come on. I can't tell if he's still on there or not. I think he is. Where'd he go? Where did he go? Oh, there he goes.
Again?
There we go. Look at that little sucker.
Wait, that's the same one we caught yesterday.
There we go, guys. You can get a little better view. Same one we caught yesterday. Here we go. Another cast. Same spot. Now, I've learned I just like reeling them up. So what I'm going to do is tighten it up, because no drag, because I want to feel as soon as they start biting, and they will. What is that, 2, 3? I might have caught one off camera. Something just hit it. If it's on there, it's small. We'll bring it up to check to see if they took the bait. And nope, almost took. All right, got my little fishing buddy with me today. As soon as she heard I'm coming out, she was more than excited to come out with me. Look at that. I got another buddy right there on the little beach. What do you think? I'll bring you guys back if I get a better hit. Not even another time, just threw it right in, and we got another. Yeah, they're little fish sticks for today. Let's see what it is. Stole my bait is what it is. Yeah, this sucker's going back. What you think, Ninny? Yeah, little fish stick. Nah, he ain't nowhere near legal. I could tell that. Now, if you don't hold on, let me get this hook easily out of his. There we go. Say bye-bye, Mr. Fishy. Oh, look at that. My little buddy's got one. And I think I just had a hit. Just lost my bait a second ago right off camera. Oh, there we go. And let's see, mine, nope. Had a bite. Let me go help her, I'll be back. It's definitely not a keeper, but it's I think that one is a sea bass, I believe. Don't get me wrong, guys, I'm still trying to relearn all my fish, and I know that one at least is 12 inches, I believe, on that one in Florida. Alright, throw back your fish stick. Windy day, storm rolling in. Catching fish sticks, but we're hoping to crank down on something a little bit bigger. Especially the tide looks like, I believe, is rolling in. So we're just hanging on for the ride and seeing what's going to happen. Apologize for all the wind noise, but I can't help Mother Nature. And I have a very good feeling. Damn, I know I felt that bite there. Something's either hooked. I think I just caught a fish stick with you guys right on. Yep, another little fish stick. Well, it's fun to be pulling them up. This is too small. Definitely going back. If nothing else, we're using up our bait from yesterday, so it doesn't go to waste. That's about one of the good parts. The wind really sucks today. We're going again, see if we can catch something bigger than that little fish stick. There's got to be a hole like right there, because that's where I keep throwing it, and I constantly get a little nibble here and there.
Got a piece of
I think I pulled too hard to set that hook. I got hooked on the bottom. Something hit it. Barely anything left. Alright, I'll bring you guys back. I don't want to just throw dead footage out. We'll see what else we can get. I hope this isn't a fish stick for... it just got off. For as much as bending my pole, got off. Every single time I go to cut the camera on.
Oh, wait.
Now look at that. He replaced himself with a rock. What a wonderful fish. I felt him hit. He must have quickly let go and said, hey, screw you. I'm not seeing the sun today. So, time to cast back out. Here,
Almost.
let me see what you got.
That's the same one we keep on catching, but... Whoa.
Go get your little ID guide and you can identify him. He's flopping around, but I believe...
Is it in the car?
Yep. Looks like we're shooting a video today of fish sticks all the way around. Yep, another fish stick. This short pole, I haven't even used it today. I can't even remember where it came from, but it's so short. Has no feeling. I just happen to see the line jerk. Let's get this thing unhooked. What do you think? Small fish stick, huh? Turn around, cast right back in the same spot. Didn't even barely hit the water and I felt a bite. Well, nah. Whatever it was must have hit left. Now I'm just rolling up empty line. Feels like he broke my my leader off. Like I said, that's one thing that sucks about this pole. What the, oh. Here we go. Wasn't even paying attention, but I think he's off. Nope. Hit it and left me the bait. I guess we'll put it back out. Which way are you throwing? Okay. This is probably a 30-year-old pole. I happen to see a Walmart sticker somewhere. $12.96 something. It's old Abu Garcia game fisher. Again, like all the rest of my gear, I couldn't tell you where it comes from, but it does work. Looks like somebody got themselves hooked all around my line. Figured out what's been taking the bait. Always measure. Now I'm hooked up to something, and I'm starting to believe, I think it's another croaker. They run out here pretty good. I'd like to actually catch something bigger, what we've been fishing for. And let's see what, oh! It let go right at the last second. Not 100% sure what it was. Almost looked like a small baby shark, but I doubt it. So it's time to cast out again. Well, I'll tell you in a sec. What do we got? Looks like, yes. Nope. I think this is actually, I feel it, catfish.
Well, mine won't reel up.
He got me in the finger too with his, I'm coming to help. Ah! He got me twice in the finger. I think I just got another one. At least I know something just hit my pole. I felt the hit. But, yep, something's on there. It ain't very big, I could tell. There's a lot of croakers are in here. And let's see what it is, if it's still on. It's another fish stick. Yeah, it's kind of small though. Nah. Now I feel something. I don't know. There's something. Let's see if it just stays hooked long enough. Now, whatever it is. Oh, it's another one of them. Another fish stick. Not even worth eating size. But something to catch.